My name is Judy, and I'm from Team PlayPitch. Let me tell you what our goal is. We're going to make music learning fun and engaging through interactive sheet music for the iPad. We're going to show you a real musical score, and then you'll play along with any instruments. The iPad will listen to you using its built-in microphone, and our app will give you feedback about whether or not you're playing the right pitch as you're playing along. Our target audience is music players of all skill levels. You don't require any special hardware. We use a microphone on the iPad. And we also promote basic music literacy by showing you a real score instead of graphical representations. So, how is this thing going to make money? On the consumer-facing side, we're going to go freemium. Our app will be free, and we're going to use in-app purchases, like you can buy a song, and you can one-off buy a song, or you could possibly subscribe. We're also looking into a subscription model. All right, so here's a mock of what our store could look like. We'll go here, say I'm learning to play the pan flute, and I want to pick a melody to learn. So I'll go into the store, and instead of buying a PDF of sheet music, which is not that much better than a dead sheet, I'll be buying a learning experience.
Lion down there in the corner is mascot of our app. His name is Gustav Mahler. He's going to take us through the song. Deliberate. I don't know if you can see, but Gustav the Lion gets a little bit cross when you do that. Let me have a go. So one feature of our app is that you can play on whatever instrument you've got, and it'll just tell you if you're playing the right note. It's flexible. It knows if you're playing the right note in a different octave, so you can play on whatever instrument you want to learn. Now, just for the demo for today, for the judges, we've got some buttons here that kind of cheat a good note in there if you just want to check out how the app works without playing an instrument into it. But if you would like to play an instrument, we have some for you.
Cool.
So I know nothing about music. I would buy this app. So you need to think about moving just beyond the premium to, to get people in with some paying ads. So start with some paying part to the app. It's beautiful.
I know nothing about music. I disagree with him. I think this app is amazing. I think you need to take this and scale it immediately, because this, against our argument before, this has a very large business opportunity. Giant.
I do know something about music. I play 4 different instruments. And I have to agree with him, there is actually a huge business opportunity here.
You can't stop.
So Ben's point is very well taken.
It's been so long, actually. I'm like, forget it.
So he wasn't lying, folks.
That's 1. What about level 3?
You can sing into it too. Yeah.
So I think Ben's point about having to be instructed on how to learn, I'd say screw that. I say that's what teachers are for. You learn the fundamentals, and then this is where you get good. This is where you download music to learn new songs. This is where you learn the tempo and all of that stuff that I know nothing about.
It's a fair point, as long as you make it very clear, you don't teach them how to play it, but once you actually know
you
the
don't need
instrument.
to. Don't waste your time being an educational tool, just be an enhancement tool. And that in and of itself is a giant market for you. Anyway, it's very cool.
Our team is really amazing. So, my name is Judy, and I'm the idea generator.
My name is Chuki. I'm actually an Android developer, but I learned iOS programming to build this.
My name is Fritz, and I'm a bit of an iOS developer, so I kind of helped be a gateway to applying this concept to iOS.
My name is Elvin. I knew nothing about Objective-C here on iOS before this weekend. I'm a developer.
Developer. Done a little bit of iOS, but I learned a lot in the past 2 days.
I'm Bosco. I'm usually a Ruby and JavaScript developer, and this weekend I learned all about fast-forwarding transforms and elbow deep in pitch detection.
Yeah.
Ivan.
I'm Ivan. I'm the mentor, which means I got out of the way and imposed wisdom where I could.